Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some more lip declutters. So we're into the main collection now. I did my lip liners last time. This time we're going to do bullet lipsticks and also liquid lipsticks. And then depending on how long this takes, next time we'll do glosses or starter glosses. I don't know. We'll just wait and see how it goes. So let's just get into it. So the first thing I have are these two from Glamlight. These are from the Nightmare on Elm Street collection, but it's annoying because they don't have individual shade names. So anyway, let's just start by swatching them. So this is the first one here. That's the first shade. It's real pretty. I really like that one. They come in a duo anyway, so if you buy one, like, you'll get the other as well, but it's just annoying that they don't have the individual shade names on them. Guys, I honestly don't even know what's in my collection, so I don't even know if we'll be like decluttering much today or what's gonna go on, but we'll just wait and see. Then we have our next one here. I don't know. I don't think I like this shade. I think I'm honestly going to get rid of that one, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. Normally I like deep reds and stuff, even though I don't really wear them that much. But there's just something about this one that I'm not completely sold on it. And we're already making a mess. I feel like this is a good time to film this video because I'm trying to decide what lip products to take with me on my trip. So at least I can swatch some today and see what the vibe is. Oh my god, I've already taken all of my makeup off. Time to reapply already, and we're one lipstick in. This is from Laura Mercier, I think. Yeah, this is the Sheer lipstick in Shimmer Kiss. I think I can honestly get rid of that. I feel like, yeah, obviously it doesn't have really a shade to it. And I feel like if I was going to go for something shimmery or whatever, I'd probably just put on a gloss. So I'll get rid of her. Okay, this is the Glamlight and Barbie collab. Now these are annoying once again because they don't have individual shade names, but this is the yellow lip kit from the Barbie one. I feel like it's a bit too orangey. It's nice, but I feel like I don't need it. I'm gonna get rid of her. Also, Glamlight and Barbie, this one is the blue lip kit. I don't know if I like that one either. I feel like it's just a little bit too pinky. I'm going to get rid of that one as well. Oh yeah, I didn't think we'd be getting rid of any in this video, to be honest. This is the Glamlight and Scooby-Doo collab, and this one is in the shade Daphne. I don't like that either. Getting rid of all of my Glamlight lipsticks, what the hell? Okay, get rid of her. Then we have Velma. This looks like one I might like. I don't. It's too orangey. Get rid of that one as well. Oh my god, guys, what the hell? It makes me sad because I feel like these Glamlight lipsticks are so cute and stuff, and I don't really want to get rid of them, but I'm also what is the point of having them in my collection if I know I'm not going to use them? So as much as it makes me sad, I've got to be realistic, I guess. Okay, this is MAC in Taupe. I can't tell. I don't think I need it. I'll get rid of her. Okay, I'm literally about to get rid of every single one of my bullet lipsticks, so that's great. I mean, I obviously have more in there working my way through my makeup collection, but I've already passed the test, so. To be honest, I'm probably more likely to use a liquid lipstick anyway, I guess. Or a gloss, so. Okay, this is the Friday the 13th one. It's so orangey as well. Has something happened? Have all of my lipsticks turned orange? So far we've kept one, so that's great. I think that's all of the bullet lipsticks, so I literally have one bullet lipstick left. Okay, let's get started on the liquid lipsticks. This is Moon from Kylie, and this is so old, so I just want to make sure it's a bit clumpy, but I love this. It still smells okay. It honestly probably needs to go in the bin, but I'm going to keep it for now because it still smells fine, so. We have Kylie in 808. That's quite nice. I'll keep her. We have another Kylie in Candy K. Don't know. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it for now. I feel like maybe with a lip liner, it could look alright. My lips are starting to hurt already. I feel like I've gotten heaps further than this before. This is Kylie in Posy K. Nice. Can stay, that's lovely. Terrible swatch, but you get the idea, you know. This is the Revolution lipstick in Echelon, I think. I feel like it smells funny. This is old. It's such a nice shade. So pretty. But I'm going to get rid of it because I just don't trust it. I feel like it's a bit old. And I feel like Revolution lipsticks don't tend to last as long as like my other ones I've noticed. This is Anastasia on Mute. I actually really enjoy Anastasia liquid lipsticks. I'd really like to get some more. Oh, this smells funny. Is this out of date? Probably. It's old as well. It's such a pretty shade, but I'm gonna have to get rid of it. It smells weird and I just don't like to take the risk. So I'll also get rid of her. That's such a shame because I love that shade. I'd honestly probably consider like rebuying it. This is Kylie in Built to Last. This is quite light, but I feel like with a lip liner I could get it to work. I actually quite like that shade. I feel like that's quite nice. Excuse my mouth, but let's keep going. Okay, this is the NYX Smooth Whip in Teddy Fluff. This is new. I only tried it out recently, but I can't remember what I thought. It's kind of ugh. It's too orangey. Get rid of her. This is Kylie in 20. I have a feeling I'm not gonna like her. Yeah, I don't think so. Not for me. Okay, these are the She Glam ones, and I feel like I didn't like these really. So I'm probably going to get rid of them. I have, these are She Glam and Care Bears. The first one is Perfect Harmony. And they're so orange that they're just never going to suit me. That's Perfect Harmony. And then the other one is Love A Lot. They're honestly really similar as well. Like, super, super similar. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of both of them. They can go. This is the Revolution Donut Head Homer, which I swear we already did this. Or was the other one a gloss, maybe? Yeah, that smells off as fuckery. That stinks. That's a swatch of it there. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's such a pretty shade, but yeah. I feel like my Revolution ones just, they cark it so quick. This is an Anastasia one in Beaming. See, I got this the same time that I got that other one. I feel like if the other one's off, this one might be. I don't know, it smells like alright. That's it there. I wouldn't use it anyway. Oh my god. Where is it? There, it's like a shimmery one. It's pretty, but it's not for me, so I'm going to get rid of her anyway. This is a new one. This is the NYX Milky Gloss in Choco Latte Shake. And from memory, I really liked this. But is it a gloss? Yeah, it is. We should have been with my lip glosses. See, I like this one. It's nice and it tastes nice, but that is a gloss, so I don't know why I thought it was a liquid lipstick. To our last few. I feel like we have like no lip products left. This is Luna Beauty in Daydream. Ooh, that doe foot's gone hard. Yuck, that keeps happening to me. Makes me feel sick. It's a really pretty shade, but I don't do the hard doe foot. It makes me want to vomit. That's that one there, so I'll get rid of her. Right, I've got colour pops left. So this first one is called Daily Dose. Get rid of her, she's not my shade. This is Room Service, also from Colourpop. It's not my shade either. Very orangey. Then we have Casual Dress. I feel like that's not really my shade either. Wow, I'm being super cut for it. This is On a Roll. I don't think that's my shade either. I'll get rid of that one. We have Keep It Coy. This is also from Colourpop. This is really light, but I feel like with a lip liner I could make that one work. So I'll keep her. And then the last one is Penny Pincher. I don't know why everything's just looking so orangey today. I'll get rid of that as well, I guess. Or I might keep that one actually. Okay, so we kept 8. Oh, and my lip gloss, which was 9. And then we decluttered 21. We got rid of 21. Not a bad effort. But yeah, I feel like I have no lip products left now, so that's great. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. In the next part, that's where we're going to do lip glosses, and then we will be done. I kind of want to go through and swatch all of my new lip glosses. New lip products that I have as well, like waiting to be used. That might be something we do in the future as well. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!